Once again, good evening, subscribers. This is your own Deepak Kumar, and Harman Dhaliwal is the subscriber, and he has requested talk about something you would like to get replaced. Whatever I spoke, talk about something that you would like to get replaced. However, I didn't get the exact idea what this cue card is all about, but whatever I understood, whatever I meant about it, let me record that thing. Like the cue card is saying me, like, speak about something that you would like to remove from your life or remove from your routine or day-to-day life. So here's my take. Social media these days has become a vital part of everyone's life, and the effect of social media has gone so huge that even on the festivals we do not call to our family people, our relatives, our close friends, and we just do WhatsApp and just do Facebook messages and just exchange our wishes and blessings on the ceremonies through social media. So this is one habit that I would really like to eliminate from my routine life, because by adopting to this habit, I'm just following the crowd, I'm just following the masses. But yes, this habit is really harmful and detrimental and very toxic for my relationships and my social circle. So I'm really looking forward to adopt a habit of writing letter with my hand, or directly calling to the friends and family members or relatives and like, hello, I just want to congratulate on your birthday, and may you live long, may you become more prosperous, may you become more knowledgeable. So I would like to involve a personal touch, a personal connection in my relationships, in my ceremonies, in the celebration of those special days. So I would really like to pull this thing off from my life, like exchanging the wishes through social media. And I would like to reinvent my skill of connecting to people personally and sharing my heart with them. It will really cement and bulletproof my relationship with people. So this is one thing that I would really like to adopt and really like to eliminate in my life. And all in all, I must say, constant redefining of your life, of your mindset is really essential, because in life sometimes we start doing things that are harmful, that are unproductive. So it's a wise step to look at the things that those are unhealthy and remove them and replace them with the things that are healthier, productive, and more fruitful. Thank you so much.